how to make iced latte and good coffee, great coffee. So the recipe for the iced latte is as simple as 2 scoops of ice, 5 parts whole milk, and 2 parts espresso. Now the first thing you're gonna do is make an espresso. So get a small glass, get your filter, and grind up some coffee. Hold it until it's perfect and clump it all down together. Put it back in the machine and make sure to stop the machine when it's in the green bar for better results. Then you're gonna have to grab a big cup, put in the espresso, and then fill it with milk. After that, just go ahead and put 2 scoops of ice. Make sure it's filled to the brim, and it should be ready to serve. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.